And today I'm going to break down a skincare routine that you need to follow in the morning and in the night if you have dry skin. Trust me, this is going to give you the skin of your dreams. Now if you're new to the BeBeautiful platform, do not forget to bash the subscribe button right now. To start with, here are the steps that you need to follow in your morning skincare routine. Start your daytime skincare routine by cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser like this one. As it's formulated with natural avocado extracts and vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. This helps get rid of oil, dirt and sweat without stripping your skin of its natural moisture, which is extremely vital for people with dry skin. The next step is to apply a toner. A toner is going to give you extra hydration and it's going to prep your skin for skincare products to follow. Hence, you should never skip this step and always opt for a formulation that's alcohol-free because that's going to safely refreshen your skin. It's also going to condition your skin and it's going to prepare your skin for proper moisture absorption. Spread some onto a cotton pad and gently wipe the skin, removing the cleanser residues, salt, chlorine and chemicals from the tap water that may have dehydrated your skin. Not many people know the importance of a serum. A serum is a miracle product that goes into the deepest layers of your skin, making it more potent in tackling skin problems than any other skincare product. So opt for a moisturizing formula such as this one that hydrates the skin to make it look lustrous and glossy. Moisturizer is a savior for dry skin. It is the hero product that helps seal in the benefits of a serum and a toner. So you should never skip this step if you have dry skin. This moisturizer is perfect as the lightweight formula thoroughly nourishes the skin and the SPF provides added sun protection. The last step in the morning skincare routine is to apply a sunscreen, as it is one of the healthiest things you can do for your skin. The sun's UV rays can damage your skin and cause sunburn, which leads to wrinkles, dark spots and other problems. So applying a sunscreen is a must. Use a non-oily formulation that is ideal for all skin types. Apply it 15 minutes before stepping out and remember to reapply it every few hours. Your nighttime skincare routine is extremely crucial because when you sleep is when the maximum skin repairing procedure happens. So ensure to apply the right kind of products for your skin to heal faster and look healthier. To start off, always thoroughly cleanse your skin to get rid of any makeup, dirt, oil and clogged pores. Use micellar cleansing water as it's non-abrasive and removes makeup and other impurities effectively. This micellar water hydrates your skin while it cleanses and hence it's ideal for dry skin. Follow this up with a foaming face wash to help thoroughly clean your pores and refresh your skin. It is now time for a toner. Apply the same toner from the morning skincare routine. It will help remove bacteria and excess sebum so your skin can be gently cleansed and breathe easy throughout the night. The next step is to apply a facial oil. Contrary to popular belief, a facial oil is not going to make your skin look greasy. In fact, it's going to give you deep moisturization and it's going to make it look plump. We recommend you use this oil that combines the power of a serum with the nourishment of an oil. It's infused with Moroccan argan oil, which is known to provide superior nourishment. Take a few drops and apply it gently from your nose to your ears in upward motions going against gravity. Wait a few minutes after applying it to allow it to sink into your skin. Next, follow it up with a hydrating night cream. This is going to seal in all the benefits of the facial oil and provide deep moisturization and nourishment for dry skin. Use a night cream like this one for spotless, radiant and hydrated skin. Gently massage it on your face in circular motions. It will calm your skin and is the perfect way to end your day. Okay guys, I hope this video has encouraged you to follow a skincare routine. Follow this every day to see results soon. Now if you have any questions, then do write to me in the comment section below. And as always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Until next time, bye.